You're welcome to Carma Studios. And every video is about Adabokrom to Junction, the big push road construction cost by Kingsport Company Limited. And then the update in the on this platform. So if this is your first time channeling on our platform, I'll be very happy and very much grateful to you if you share this video. The most importantly, subscribe to the platform and follow us on all the social media handles at Carma Studios. So there'll be updates on anything, entertainment, updates on roads construction and whatever is going on in the country. Now, the video is going to be updates on the road. Taking every pictures, every capture, every moment, everywhere the road has gotten to, and in this video. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, and don't forget to share it to your friends and your family to also get to know updates on the road. Now, this road is being constructed by Kingsport Company Limited. Into which as here you see that is Kingsport Company Limited. And the updates in on this platform.